Hi guys, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. My name is Ejimofor Ifeanyi Victoria. This is your first time seeing this beautiful face. Please don't make it your last. Please like, please subscribe, join the family. Anyway, today is Tuesday 9th of April. I'm not going to work today, plus it also slashes as a Muslim holiday, so we are home. But I want to go to the market, that's why I'm dressed. Thank you.
Thank you. So fine. Yeah, very fine. That's why.
Hi guys, good morning. So I haven't spoken to you guys since I went to the market. In case you hear any noise, it is my fan. Okay, it's my fan. It's making noise in the background, but I haven't spoken to you guys since I went to the market. By the way, this shirt is by my mom. I don't know, I'm just really excited, and I like my skirt. Let me show you guys my clothes. You see, my skirt has a slit. I feel very hippie today, but I haven't spoken to you guys since I went to the market. And I don't know, I just felt like picking up the camera today because I feel really cute. I like the headband. The headband is just very cute. I like the headband, so I'm kind of wearing my wig in like a headband style, if that makes sense. Sorry, I'm rambling on and on. I'm a little late, so I most likely will see you guys at work. Okay? Yeah.
Just think about my baby. Full of love about my baby. There's nothing sweeter than my baby. I never want once from a cherry tree. 'Cause my baby's sweet as can be. She gave me 2 cakes just from kissing me. When my time comes around, lay me gently in the cold dark earth. No grave can hold my body down. I'll crawl home to.
Oh, somewhere out there, somebody's definitely getting married. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I want to wear a face mask. Happy Sunday guys, happy Sunday. Maybe I'll wear this rose one. guys. I've not spoken to you guys the entire of this vlog, at least not to a great portion, you guys, except when I did an intro. I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I have been busy throughout the week. I don't think I even recorded throughout the week, but I don't know, I can't remember, but I don't think I recorded throughout the week. I've been actually busy, just going to work and stuff, and nothing mad interesting has been happening. That's why I've not necessarily recorded. I'm thinking of doing my nails because I have a wedding coming up next month, so I don't know if this vlog will include that or that will all be in the next vlog. Either ways, I hope you guys are doing very well. How you doing? Do you have any newcomers? How you guys doing? How you enjoying the vlog so far? Do you guys actually appreciate this quiet aesthetic? Do you guys actually appreciate this quiet aesthetic vlogs, or you prefer like when I gist you guys and when we talk about stuff? What else? I wanted to talk about Nigerians and the need for us to take antibiotics, especially when it comes to stuff like typhoid. When you run and go and do tests and say, no, just give me antibiotic like that. If I argue and argue and argue with you and you refuse, I don't know what else you want me to do to you. Or you see those agbo, that's another thing. Let me leave that one aside. That's number one. Number two, you see those agbo, all those random, I don't want to call their name, all those random herbal concussions. Now, herbal concussions are amazing when and if they have been tested properly. Do you get? But then you see those random companies or individuals that mix up different things and pour it into a container and tell you that only this one medicine will cure your HIV, AIDS, sugar, BP, STI, arthritis, all the sicknesses in the world. Only this one medicine will cure it, and you will carry your 2 left leg and buy it. If you're an older person, you go and buy it. If you're a younger person, you go and buy it for your parents and give them, and they will drink it. And maybe some of them are on BP medicine. They'll stop taking their BP medicine. They'll start taking this other one and say, they say they cure, and so they'll drink the other one. And then by the time they come back, sorry for the background noise, like I said, by the time they come back to the hospital and they check them, their BP has corrected to 250. Maybe BP that was managed around 150 or something, or 140 self, it's now 250. I'm like, mama, last time when you come, your BP they okay, say I stop the medicine, my became buy me XYZ herbal, say they work. I can't drink, I can't make my body fresh, I no can't drink my other medicine again. Now I can't get serious headache, I can't say they work. Guys, I don't know if this is the end of the vlog or not, but I will see you guys much later. Okay, bye bye.